Good evening, I'm Marcellus Parsons, and a major advance in the computer industry was unveiled today by IBM right here in Essex Junction. It's one which the company hopes will change the way that businesses everywhere use computers. As Tom Farmer reports, the technology behind today's news was perfected at IBM's Essex Junction facility.
A big fanfare today for a tiny little chip. This is what's supposed to change the world of business computers. It is a microprocessor chip, the first one developed at Essex Junction. Microprocessors are tiny electronic servants that show up nowadays in everything from car dashboards to microwave ovens. This new microprocessor is powerful enough to do everything this processing card used to do.
We're reducing size, reducing cost, and giving a better capability to our customers.
This card was the absolute state-of-the-art in computer circuitry just 5 years ago. Now it's been left in the dust. And this refrigerator-sized computer, an industry standard used by retailers to control inventory, car makers to regulate production, can now be replaced by this desktop computer. This one does everything the big one did, only faster and cheaper.
This card is placed in a personal computer-like package and is then sold as a Series 1, and in fact is placed by itself in the new PC-AT, the top end of the personal computer line, and transforms that computer into a Series 1.
Putting that new microprocessor inside this cabinet is sort of like turbocharging a personal computer, and there's as much difference between this and IBM's 10-year-old first desktop computer as there is between a Model T and a Thunderbird. While a PC might be good mainly for individuals, IBM says this computer works for almost all business applications, and the price has come down along with the size.
It gives a new dimension to that workhorse standard. It allows the workhorse to be applied to tasks that it never was applied to before, because we've now moved the threshold of price down to a place where more people can afford it.
The old Series 1, the one the size of an icebox, cost about $25,000. The new Series 1 costs about $10,000. IBM says this means businesses will spend less on computers from now on without getting less. And if the price of modernization stays low, the price of things businesses sell us may not rise so fast. Tom Farmer, Channel 3 News, Essex Junction.
That new IBM computer chip made here, it won't mean any increase in the Essex Junction facility, at least not for the short term. The chips are made here. The final assembly of the computer is done in Florida.